There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly mo. He's the roliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
La 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 la, la 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 la. Hello to you. How do you do? Oh, it's really raining outside. Everything's getting all wet. I'm all wet. But Yugo will be pleased. He loves the rain. Ready? Then off we go. Whee!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking at the rain. Do you want to have a look? Ooh, there's lots of it, isn't there?
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just showing our friends the rain.
Oh, yes. It's really raining outside. I'm all wet.
Well, you take this towel and dry yourself off, and I'll go and get you a nice warm drink.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly.
Oh, I say, what was that? It felt like a raindrop. Oh, yes, it was. Oh, dearie me. I think I've got a leak in my roof. Oh. There we go. Something to catch the raindrops. Here we go, little Bo. One warm drink.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly. What you looking for, Uncle Roly?
Oh, I'm looking for my rain hat. Last time I saw it, Yugo and Migo were using it to collect leaves in. Ah, here it is.
Why do you need your rain hat, Uncle Roly?
Well, we've got a leak in the roof, you see, and I need to go and mend it.
Oh, I see. What's a leak, Uncle Roly?
Oh, well, a leak is like a hole, little Bo.
You mean there's a hole in the roof?
Indeed I do, little Bo. Now, I'll be back in a roly mo.
Yugo! Migo! Wigo! Amigo! Let's a go-go!
Little Bo!
What do you know?
I know what a leak is.
A leak!
A leak. It's like a hole. We've got one in the roof and the rain is coming through.
Oh! A leak!
Ooh, rain! I love the rain! I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. Heart, don't you? Heart, don't you? Pitter patter splish splosh, pitter patter splish splosh. Time for a wash, time for a wash. I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. Heart, don't you? Heart, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet too, so are you. I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. I'm wet too, so are you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet too, so are you.
I'm wet through, so are you.
I'm wet through, so are you. Ugh, I don't like the rain.
Ooh, do you think Roly's got a story about the rain, little Bo?
Oh, I'm sure he has. I could go and find one.
Story time with little Bo.
Our favourite time of day.
take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo, boo. Wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a thimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. Ah, we'd like a story about the rain, please. Oh, thank you. Are you sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. It was Ben and Charlie's birthday, and Grandad had sent them a big knobbly parcel all the way from Australia. "Good day, boys," said the card. "I expect you'll be needing these soon." "What could it be?" said Ben. "Well, open it up and see," said Mum. Inside the parcel were 2 pairs of shiny Wellington boots and 2 beautiful umbrellas to match. "Fantastic!" said Charlie. "Let's go and find some puddles to splash in," said Ben. But when they got outside, the sun was shining brightly and they couldn't find any puddles in the garden. And there wasn't a cloud in the sky, so there wasn't any rain either. "Never mind," said Mum. "Perhaps it'll rain tomorrow." But it didn't rain the next day either. Or the next day. Or the day after that. "It's not fair," said Ben. "We're never going to find a puddle," said Charlie. We'll see about that," said Mum. Next day was Saturday, and when Ben and Charlie looked out of the window, the sun was shining in the sky again. Ben and Charlie were having their breakfast when Mum put a picnic basket on the table. "Hurry up, boys," she said. "We're going on an adventure. And you better bring your boots and umbrellas." "Hooray!" said the boys. When Dad stopped the car, the boys couldn't believe their eyes. They were at the beach. "Look," said Mum. "That's the biggest puddle ever." So Ben and Charlie spent all morning jumping over waves and paddling in rock pools in their new wellies. And they ate their sandwiches under the shade of their new umbrellas. And when they got home, they sent Grandad a postcard to tell him all about it. Lovely.
Lovely rain.
Did you hear that?
We did.
Then let's a go-go.
Amigo!
I can hear it.
But what is it?
Maybe my busy book will be able to tell us. Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Baby Pom. What are we going to do today, Baby Pom? Oh, did you hear that? What's that sound?
That sounds like a train.
That's right, it is a train. That's a different sound. What could it be?
That sounds like a drum.
It is a drum. That's a funny sound. I wonder what it could be. It sounds like water.
That's a rain cloud.
So it's a raindrop. Now what's that sound? I know. It sounds like bouncing. Now what makes a bouncing sound like that?
Hey!
It's Rocket!
Oh, smelly jelly.
Thank you, Baby Pom. Thank you, Rocket. See you again soon. So it's a raindrop.
But where is it? Oh, it sounds like it's in here. Ah! It rained on me!
I think Migo just found the raindrop.
Oh, look. Uncle Roly's put a saucepan down to catch the raindrop.
Listen, there's another one.
Find that raindrop.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Ugh, I don't like raindrops.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Oh, it nearly finished. Ooh.
It's over here.
We need something to catch the drip in, just like Uncle Roly's saucepan.
How about this?
A watering can. That's a great idea.
Phew. It's raining on me again.
Oh, no. Not another raindrop. Raindrops falling, raindrops falling.
Drip, drap, drop. Drip, drap, drop.
A pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops.
Who can say when they'll stop?
Raindrops falling, raindrops falling.
Drip, drap, drop. Drip, drap, drop.
Pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops.
Who can say when they'll stop?
It's getting very wet.
We need something else to catch those raindrops in. Oh, I know. Can I borrow your umbrella, Migo?
One umbrella coming up.
Who can say when they'll stop?
Oh, the raindrops are stopping.
Don't go, little raindrops.
That must mean that Uncle Roly's mended the leak in the roof.
Indeed I have, little Bo, indeed I have. Rain, rain, gone away, come again another day.
Hooray for Roly Mo, the best roof mender in Fimble Valley.
Hooray!
Well, we've had a wet day today, haven't we?
It's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Cheerio!
Is that another leak?
I think you'll find that's a snoot.
Drip, drip, drip.
Oh, you go!
Oh, dear.